Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to apply these 3D text effects with just one click. Stay connected till end. Let's get it started. First, go to the Google browser and type Freepik. Or link of this website is mentioned in the description. Click on the first link and type 3D text. Here are different amazing text effects. You can download any text effect you want. Select the asset type, PSD. I like this one, so I'm going with this. Click on this. You can download it from there. Open the folder. Right-click on it and open. Open the layer panel. If it's not there, bring it from the window menu. Double-click on the Smart Object layer. Double-click to edit the text. Then press Ctrl+S to save the file. It will take a little time. Go back to the original PSD file. And text is applied to the effect. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.